The question here says which of the following is equivalent to xy plus 2xy into 1 plus y times 2y. So in a nutshell, what the question is actually telling you is just to simplify what you have here, simplify this algebraic expression, and then compare your solution to the options you have here. So whichever of them is equivalent to the solution you obtain after simplification of the algebraic expression, then that's going to be your solution. So let's go ahead and simplify this. So what you have there is you have xy plus 2xy into 1 plus y times 2y. So now looking at what we have here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by factorizing the two of them, because you observe we have two terms. This is one term and then this is the other term. So let me rewrite this to make it clearer about the next step I'm going to do. So this is xy, which I'm going to represent as xy now, plus you have 2xy into 1 plus y times 2y. So I've not done anything except the fact that I just changed the colors used to represent x and y in the two terms of this algebraic expression. And then the reason I did that is because I want to factorize xy from the two terms. So looking at xy here, xy is common to the two terms, so I'm going to bring xy out. So you have xy leaving, so you're going to leave 1 here, so you leave 1 plus, so xy is off here, so you have 2 into 1 plus y times 2y. So this is just going to give you xy into, now this is going to be 1 plus, now 2 times 2y, that's 4y into 1 plus y. So this is just going to give you xy into, so this is going to be 1 plus, now 4y times 1, that'll be 4y, plus 4y times y, that'll be 4y squared. So this is what you obtain. So now looking at this, so you have 4y squared. So looking at what you have here also, we can factorize 1 plus 4y plus 4y squared, because this is the same thing as 4y squared plus 4y plus 1. This is a quadratic expression, and then to factorize this you need to multiply the first and the last term. I believe you already know how to do that anyway. So the two terms you have is going to be plus 2y plus 1, and then since 2y is common here, when you factorize this you have 2y into 2y plus 1 and then plus 1 into 2y plus 1. So this is just going to give you 2y plus 1, and then you have 2y plus 1, so which just give you 2y plus 1 all squared. So in other words, when you factorize 1 plus 4y squared, what you would obtain is going to be 2y plus 1 squared. So I could rewrite this as, so my xy is still going to be my xy multiplied by, so what I obtain here is 2y plus 1 all squared. So this is my solution. That is, after I've simplified, this is what I obtained, xy times 2y plus 1 squared. So yeah, so this is our answer here, xy times 2y plus 1 squared, and then that completes the problem. Thanks for watching.